Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study again how to solve number problem involved in grade 7. Number 1 problem. In a local election, Romel Alvarez received 3,500 votes more than his opponent Ricky Lee. If 14,600 votes were cast in all, how many votes did each candidate receive? So we have to analyze first the problem. So Romel Alvarez received more than to his opponent. The more than is 3,500. So our solution, we're going to use a representation. Let X be the number of votes received by Lee, and for the number of votes received by Alvarez, our equation is representation rather is X plus 3,500. X plus 3,500 because Romel Alvarez received more than 3,500. Next, we're going to make an equation. Our equation, since from the word we're going to divide it, is 14,600 cast in all. So we're going to add X plus 3,500 equals 14,600. And then that's our equation. Then we're going to solve the equation. X plus 3,500 equals 14,600. Then we're going to combine like terms. X plus X equals 2X. Then plus 3,500 equals 14,600. Then we're going to transpose the 3,500 to the right side of the equation. From positive becomes negative. Then the left side, the remaining is 2x. Then 14,600 minus 3,500, we have 11,100. So the equation is 2x equals 11,100. Then since we're solving for x, so we are going to divide it by 2, both sides. So 2x divided by 2 equals x, 11,100 divided by 2 equals 5,550. So for Ricky Lee, since Ricky Lee is the x, received 5,550 votes. Okay, next number 2 problem about number problem in grade 7. Find two consecutive integers whose sum is 55. When we say integers, it is positive and negative and zero numbers. And we say consecutive, like for example 9, what is next to 9 is 10, what is next to 10 is 11, what is next to 11 is 12. So 9, 10, 11, 12 is called consecutive numbers. Okay, our solution, we have of course to prepare a representation. Let x be the first integer, the first consecutive integers, and x plus 1 be the second consecutive integers. So the equation now, since sum, we're going to add the first consecutive integers and the second integers. So our first consecutive integers is x plus the second integers, we have x plus 1 equals 55. Then next, we're going to solve the equation. X plus 1 equals 55. Then combine like terms. X plus x equals 2x plus 1 equals 55. Then we're going to transpose the positive 1 to the right side of the equation. Becomes negative 1. And to the left side equals 2x. Then 55 minus 1 equals 54. And the left side we have 2x. Then since we're going to solve for x, so we're going to divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals x. 54 divided by 2 equals 27. Then next we're going to find the second consecutive integers. X plus 1 equals, so the value now of x is 27, plus 1 equals 28. So the complete answer, the two consecutive integers are 27 and 28. So to check, x plus 1 equals 55, 27 plus 27 plus 1 equals 55, 27 plus 27 equals 54 plus 1 equals 55, and 54 plus 1 equals 55 equals 55. Since the result is a true equation, so therefore our answer is correct. Okay, the next problem is number 3. Find the three consecutive integers whose sum is 300. So our solution, we have to start first with the representation. Let x be the first consecutive integer, then x plus 1 be the second consecutive integers, and x plus 2 be the third consecutive integers. Then we have to make an equation. So since we encounter the word sum, so we're going to add the first, second, and third integers. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals, the given is 300, so equals 300. To solve the equation, we have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 300. So we're going to combine like terms. So x plus x equals 3x. 1 plus 2 equals plus 3 equals 300. Then 3x equals 300. Then we're going to transpose positive 3 to the right side of the equation, becomes negative 3. Then we're going to simplify. 300 minus 3 equals 297. Just copy 3x. And since we're solving for the x, so we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 3. So 3x divided by 3 equals x, and 297 divided by 3 equals 99. So the first consecutive integer is 99. So next, solve for the second consecutive integers. X plus 1 equals 99, plus 1 equals 100. So 100 is the second consecutive integers. The next, solve for third consecutive integers. X plus 2 equals 99, plus 2 equals 100. Now the complete answer, the three consecutive integers are 99, 100, and 101. Area problem review. Trapezoidal garden is to be covered with grass. How many square meters of grass will cover the garden if two bases are 12 meters and 8 meters and the distance between bases is 15 meters? Our solution given trapezoid, we have the base 1 is 12 meters given, base 2 is equals to 8 meters, and the height is also given 5 meters. Find the area. To solve the area of a trapezoid, we're going to use area equals 1/2 the sum of base 1 and base 2 times the height. So the base 1 and base 2 we're going to add 12 plus 8 equals 20. Then the height is 5, we're going to multiply. Then times 1 equals 100. Then divided by 2. So the area of the trapezoid is 50 square meters. Okay, the next problem, number 8. A certain cartolina in the shape of a parallelogram is to be covered with a manila paper. If it has a base of 10 decimeter and a height of 5 decimeter, how many square decimeter of manila paper will be used? Our solution, of course, we're going to pick up or write down the given. Since the figure given is parallelogram, and the base is 10 decimeter and the height is 5 decimeter, find the area. So to solve this, we're going to use the formula of parallelogram. Area equals base times height. The given base is 10 decimeter and the height is 5 decimeter. After substitute, we're going to multiply it. So the area of a parallelogram is 50 square decimeter. Okay, the next problem is number 9. Lot in the shape of a trapezoid with 30 meters long on its shorter side and 40 meters on its longer side. If the distance between these sides is 18 meters, what is the area of the lot? The solution, given trapezoid, the figure, and the base is 30 meters, the base 1, and the base 2 is 40 meters, and the height is 18 meters. To solve the area of a parallelogram, we have the formula area equals base 1 plus base 2 times height over 2. So we have to substitute. The base 1 is 30 plus the base 2 is 40 times 18, which is the height, divided by 2. So 30 plus 40, 70 times 18 equals 1,260 divided by 2. So the area now is 630 square meter.